Did you know that it's possible to write functions according to column names instead of referencing to cells like C3, D3, or E3? It's a perfect trick because your coworkers and your boss are going to love you for this. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have a table with persons and their earnings for 3 months. And I want to sum those 3 months' earnings in the sum column. Firstly, select the whole table. Then go to Formulas tab and click on Create from Selection button. Now you want to create names from values just from the top row, so uncheck Left Column option. Then click OK. So now we can try it. In the sum column, write equals sign and then write January plus February plus March. Then press Enter on your keyboard. And here you have it. The whole sum column has been filled automatically and everything is much easier to read. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.